What's up guys? Here I got a set of Carlimeki seat covers for my truck. I'm going to be unboxing them, installing them, and giving you my honest thoughts. First impressions out of the box, I thought it was packaged really well. I like the material used on these seat covers. It feels like it is a good quality. I'm loving the red and black color scheme, also with the carbon fiber-esque accent on the edge of the driver and passenger seat backs. I actually have these laid out on the garage floor right now, how they will be put in the truck, with the driver and passenger ones here and then the rear ones over there. It was really easy to establish what is what, not only just from inferring based off of the looks, but also on the inside of each of these covers. They are labeled very nicely with the exact position they should go in. So shout out to Carlimeki for that. Aside from the covers itself, the other thing included in the package is this bag with the instruction manual, installation gloves, and an installation tool so you can really get the fabric tucked in where you need to. Without further ado, let's get these things installed in my truck. I'm going to start with the rear seat cover installation. Now, if you've seen other videos on my channel or of my truck, you know that I have the Soft-Tex leather in my Tundra, so I don't necessarily need seat covers permanently in the front, but in the rear, I do have a dog and young kids, and I thought it would be nice to have a permanent looking style seat cover in the back to protect the back seat from the elements of them, as well as prevent further indentations from car seats, dog scratches, etc. The installation process is going to be fairly similar for both the back seat and the front seats. So I'm going to walk through what I'm doing in the rear and then just show some footage of me installing the front seats before giving you the grand reveal and walking through the whole truck. The instruction manual that they have laid out here is really easy to cover. It has the 2022 Plus generation Tundra on one side and the older generation on the other side, depending on what type of truck you have. But the step one in installing the rear seat cover is putting the back down and attaching this piece before doing the seat and then ultimately the headrest. So let's get that going. Going to take out the headrest for the time being of both the side and middle seats. On the back of the cover, there are these plastic clips that's ultimately going to hold the cover in place behind the seat back itself. So we're going to put it on, thread the clips through, connect them, be good to go. These things are fitting like a glove. Another thing they have is on these sides, you got these Velcro straps that you can Velcro onto the back of the seat, which has kind of a natural hook pattern already. So once you have it in a position you like, take those Velcro straps and secure it on the sides. Lastly, we're going to get the head covers on, which is as simple as putting it over the top and fastening with Velcro. Again, guys, these things are fitting great and actually exceeding my expectations. I'm going to get the rest of these covers on and then show you guys the grand reveal and talk about them. Guys, I'm a big fan of these seat covers. I think the quality of material used is great. I think the form-fitting nature impresses me and exceeds my expectations. And I think at the price point you can get a set of these at, it's a great upgrade to your vehicle, especially if you have cloth seats. So if you'd like to get yourself a set, I'll put the link to this set down in the description, or simply search Carlimeki on Amazon and I'm sure you'll find the set you're looking for. Like I said, I'm planning on keeping at least the rear seat covers in my vehicle, so if you continue to watch my channel or subscribe, you'll see these in future videos. I'm gonna put the car seats in right on top of them and hope it protects my factory seats from the elements that young kids and dogs bring. That's all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one.